Hey guys, well, it's been a while since I've been in front of the camera, so it feels a bit strange. But this weekend is the Beaulieu, I'm bloody awful with names, Cooper show at the Heritage Museum. So I've come down and I'm here in the beautiful New Forest, probably my favourite place in England. And well, I'm going to film. I'm going to show you around the show and hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Today is Saturday, so the day before the show. Come down with my old man. Sorry, Dad. And we're just going to do some driving, go to the museum today so that we don't have to do it tomorrow. We're going to go and have a good look around the New Forest and just enjoy some of the roads and the scenery. I've not been to a car show for a while. The last one I probably went to was when I was with the Hondas. So it's going to be an experience. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to putting some faces to some names. And it's cool to see that there's some Minis at this hotel. And hopefully I'll meet you guys as well. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, and of course, subscribe. It's massively appreciated. So for now, we're just going to clean the car. Quickly go over it. Some quick detailing. And then go for a beer. It's beer o'clock. See you soon.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Now I know what some of you are thinking. This isn't the grey K-swap that Tom's been trying to get the garage to finish and work on himself, and the truth is I asked them to get the grey one ready for this event multiple times and it was like radio silence, so I got a blue one, almost pre-modified, quite a few issues, most of which have been fixed before driving down here, which is what, 5 hours for me. The grey one won't be going anywhere. I'm going to carry on working on it, but I need to touch base with the garage when I get home. I'll do a full video on this one after the show. I'm going in, tea time. We'll catch up in the morning. Good morning. It's show day. A little bit excited actually. I don't really know what to expect. Dad's driving the Mini because I think now he wants one. So we're on our way to the show. Look at him. It's like a kid at Christmas. And I'm just walking up and down a road waiting to get picked up. No, it's 8:30. We can't get there until 9, so I just said to Dad, jump in and have a bit of a drive. So I don't know what to expect. I don't know what's going to happen. We're just going to get to the front gates of the Motor Museum, which is where the show's being held, and we'll catch up there.
Crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets.
With the R53 owners.
Follow him through the turn the left, right.
All right.
Through the bank, and you're all on the left-hand side.
Cool. Thank you.
Big area.
All right, bro. There's 100 of it. 100 R53s apparently on this thing.
You're queuing up.
It's power saving. Straight down, I believe. R53 owners?
Sorry?
R53 owners? I think it's straight down, other side of the bank.
5, which is straight down, yeah. On the left. Yeah, there you go.
Going off like mad. So R53 Club Stand. There is about 100 cars here at the minute. It's absolutely chocker. And there's, well, everyone's here. You've got the GRS, 3 cars. I'll tell you what, let's just go do some car spotting. Okay, so we'll start here. GRS cars. So this GRS is the front mount intercooler version with some nice little airflow horns. I think that's what's going to go on the blue one. Front mount intercooler from GRS. Just been talking to him. So deposit and wait for it to be made in a few months because he's having some time off. Don't blame him. Then we've got the charge. Yeah. We've got the charge cooler on this one. Ultra effective, and then the standard GRS. top man intercooler on this, also massively effective. Both of these obviously can run AC, unlike the front mount. What else have we got? Black-eyed purple. Don't see many of these around. It's a nice colour. Bigger scoop. Tasty. There's too many. There's too many to look at. Ah, this is a cool one. So, in front of ours is the leaders of our faithful R53 pack, Chris Keane here. So Chris is automatic, absolutely track ready. Show you the inside. So this is quite a nice little example. This is Tim's, the Beard Division. I love these 1552s. I just think they finished the car off. They look amazing. I've got my hunk of junk here. It's true what they say, you can polish a turd. And I love this colour, this blue. Jesus, split it. Yeah, that's a nice example. The chap who owns this one was telling me earlier that this colour is full custom, a blend of about 3 or 4 different greys. Don't know if you can see the flake in it. But another nice example. And I love the steering wheel. The steering wheel on this, I've not seen one this small from Momo. But that's a nice wheel. It's the little details. So yeah, I think on this stand there's 100 of us, 100 minis. All different, obviously in their own respect. 3 automatics and the rest are all manuals. What's the slipstreams? Nice. Seems like it. Here comes some more. Not on our stand, but BRG, don't see too many of those. Now, over here, there was an ultra low one for you scene queens. I have no idea where it is. Oh, there he is. This is quite a nice little Nardo grey, maybe? Yeah, I like that. That's too low. Gotta be on air ride. Is this on air ride?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah? Is it Nardo grey?
It is indeed. Only a wrap.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice.
Thanks.
It's different, eh?
Yeah, it is a bit different. A few people have done it now, though. I'll just keep looking for the next colour, but finding the right one.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Trying to be different with minis is becoming increasingly difficult.
I know it is.
It's got to keep changing.
It does change it, that's the answer, isn't it?
Another GP. The one question I have is, do I colour code my arches or do I leave the arches? Can't decide. Now this circle's pretty cool. So it starts with the 1960s and goes all the way up to the 2020s. And essentially it just goes round. So obviously 1961 Mark 1, probably one of the first ones. Somebody will correct me if I'm wrong. And then it just carries on going round all throughout the different years. It's quite funny hearing all the problems that people have with minis. Everyone's just talking to each other about the issues they've had and the fixes that they've done. But people still love him.
What we did get right, and a lot of people didn't get right, was real jump.
There's some nice ones here.
It's the ones where they say you remember
to see what future of younger members do not join. I mean, there's loads of young families out there.
And it's cool to see how they've changed over the years, especially the classics.
Advertise that now.
I mean, they all look the same, but they've all got their own little changes over the years.
And we just look at the younger generation to join us on that. We want to.
So up at the 90s, so this, when I had my sidewalk, mine was in 95. There's some missing, which is a shame. So around this age was my sidewalk. And I've got a picture of it which I'll pop on. 1995, there we are. So mine was an N-Reg, which was 95.
Is that the best way to get in touch, or is it social media or something else?
You can contact me on Facebook or on the MCR page, or my email is youth@minicooper.org.
So some pretty cool stuff.
And contact me there. My telephone number is also in the magazine as well.
That's really good.
That 99.
Many started our careers in Mini Coopers.
Absolutely pristine.
Unofficial ones that regulations tightened up. We now do them properly.
And then they changed. So 2000 was the first Cooper that they brought out. The Cooper R didn't come out until 2002.
So, Jack, do you think it's viable?
And one of the very last Coopers registered in 2001. And then they went ugly with the new ones. Ooh.